The days of durable, reliable, and beautifully crafted classic cars are long gone. Today, many car enthusiasts find themselves longing for the vehicles of the past, which seem to embody both strength and simplicity. But why exactly is there such a stark difference between the cars of yesterday and those of today? Let's dive into this fascinating topic. Classic cars were built to last, with quality at the forefront of their design. One of the key factors was the materials used in their construction. Cars were primarily made from heavy-duty steel and iron, which gave them not only their iconic weight, but also their durability. These materials could withstand decades of use, and with proper maintenance, remained in excellent condition for generations. The simplicity of their engines also played a crucial role. Classic cars were mechanical masterpieces without the intricate electronics that modern vehicles heavily rely on. This meant fewer malfunctions and easier repairs. Spare parts were relatively simple to find, and you didn't need a specialized technician to work on your car. Local mechanics could easily handle repairs, making the maintenance process less stressful and more affordable. However, it wasn't just about function. The design of classic cars was unparalleled. Each model had a unique personality, reflecting the craftsmanship of an era where automobiles were as much about aesthetics as they were about performance. From their sleek curves to their bold chrome finishes, these cars were built with pride and a sense of artistry that's often missing in today's mass production. Now let's turn our attention to modern cars. Despite the incredible technological advancements, there are some significant drawbacks that have led many to perceive them as lower in quality. One major issue is planned obsolescence. Unlike classic cars, modern vehicles are often designed with a limited lifespan, encouraging consumers to replace them more frequently. This benefits manufacturers but leaves buyers spending more in the long run. Another issue is the extensive use of plastics and cheaper materials in modern car construction. While this makes vehicles lighter and more fuel efficient, it also compromises their durability. Plastic parts wear out faster and are more prone to damage compared to the robust steel of the past. This shift in materials has left many modern cars feeling less sturdy and more disposable. Electronics, while a technological marvel, have introduced their own set of problems. Modern cars are packed with advanced features like touchscreens, smart sensors, and automated systems. While these are convenient, they are also prone to glitches and require expensive repairs when they fail. A single electronic issue can render a car inoperable, making modern vehicles less reliable in the eyes of many drivers. Additionally, market trends play a role. The constant push for innovation and the race to introduce the latest features create a cycle where cars quickly feel outdated. Consumers are encouraged to trade in their vehicles for newer models, further fueling the perception of planned obsolescence. That's not to say modern cars don't have their advantages. High-tech features have made vehicles safer, more efficient, and environmentally friendly. Hybrid and electric cars, for instance, produce lower carbon emissions, aligning with global efforts to combat climate change. Advanced safety features like lane assist, automatic braking, and collision detection have undoubtedly saved countless lives. But these benefits come at a cost. Repairs for modern cars are often more expensive due to the complexity of their systems. The reliance on specialized technicians and proprietary software makes it difficult for the average owner to handle maintenance themselves. Furthermore, the rapid pace of innovation means that what's cutting edge today can quickly become obsolete, leaving consumers with cars that feel outdated far sooner than they'd like. In conclusion, the debate between classic and modern cars is one that comes down to personal preference. Do you value the timeless durability and character of a classic car, or do you prioritize the advanced technology and eco-friendliness of a modern vehicle? Each has its strengths and weaknesses, and the choice ultimately depends on what matters most to you as a driver. So, which side are you on? Classic cars or modern marvels? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more engaging discussions like this one.